Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to create a website using Blackbox AI. So you can start by logging into your account, and then first you will have to go to blackbox.ai, then you will log into your account or create an account if you don't have one yet. Then after that, you will enter a prompt with something like create a personal portfolio website using HTML and CSS. So you can just type it in here, and then after that, Blackbox will generate your layout, including the header, sections, and styling code. Then you will copy the HTML and CSS into separate files in your text editor. Then you will save them and open the HTML file in your browser to preview. You can prompt Blackbox to add a navigation bar, image gallery, contact form, or animations if needed. And this is great for beginners or just anyone wanting to build a static site quickly. Layouts may vary, so you may want to tweak the design manually or use a template for extra polish. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.